Hi guys, and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will walk you through some of the basic questions on exponents. Yes, the essence of this lesson is to put into practice some of the rules we learned earlier in our studies. So if you want to watch the video I made on the rules of exponents and the explanation, please check the description of this video to watch it. Okay, before us is the basic questions we can always see on exponents. So please watch this video to the end. Now the first question is simplify 32 to the power of 1 over 5. Okay, recall this rule that says a to the power of 1 over n. This is n root a. Okay, so for this question, this becomes fifth root of 32, right? So fifth root of 32 is that number you can multiply by itself 5 times to give you 32, and that number is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, right? So the fifth root of 32 is equal to 2, okay? Because it is this 2 that you can multiply 5 times, which represents this fifth root here, to give you 32. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the fifth root of 32 is 2. Fifth root of 32 is 2. Okay, alternatively, you can solve this question by setting this 32 raised to power 5. Okay, look for a number that you will raise by 5 to give you 32, and that number is 2. So this also will become 2 to the power of 5 all to the power of 1 over 5, right? So this becomes 2 to the power of 5 times 1 over 5. So this we cancel this and we are left with 2. Okay, then for the second one, for the second question, we are asked to solve 27 to the power of 2 over 3. So we can also look for a number we raise to the power of 3 to give 27. So the target is this. Since we are having 2 over 3 as a power, okay, and we're having 27 here, now we can rewrite 27 in such a way that a number will be raised to the power of 3 to give 27. The essence of doing this is to make sure that 3 here will correspond to 3 so that we cancel out. Okay, that's another way of doing it. Now 27 to the power of 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 3, okay, all to the power of 2 over 3, and this is 3 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3, right? 3 we cancel 3, and this is 9. Okay, alternatively, we can do 27 to the power of 2 over 3 is something else. 27 raised to the power of 1 over 3, okay, times 2. So this becomes the cube root of 27 all squared, right? Then this will give us 3 to the power of 2, and we have 9 as our answer still. So for the next one, number 3, we have this. We are asked to solve this. So we can rewrite this as 1 over 1000. Okay, what you do is to rewrite this as 1 over 1000, you have 0.001 divided by 1. Okay, so you move this point 3 times, 1, 2, 3, then you add 1, 2, 3 zeros to this. So in the end, we'll be left with 1 over 1000. So that is why we are having 1 over 1000 here. So this becomes 1 over 1000 raised to the power of 3. Okay, this is same thing as 1 to the power of 3 over 1000 to the power of 3. Okay, and this is same thing as 1 to the power of 3 over this 1000 can be written as 10 to the power of 3, right? So this is 10 to the power of 3 and raised to the power of 3 here. So this will give us 1 over 10 to the power of 9, because this is 3 times 3, 9, and this can be rewritten as 10 to the power of negative 9. Don't forget this rule that says 2 raised to the power of negative 1 is equals to 1 over 2. So this is same thing we are having here. Okay, then for number 4, we are having this. Okay, what number can you raise by 3 to give you 64? Watch this 3 here. This is our reference point, this 3 here. So we'll look for a number that will raise 3 times to give 64, and that number is 4. So we'll write this as 4 to the power of 3 or to the power of 2 over 3, and this will give 4 to the power of 3 times 2 over 3. This will cancel this, and we'll have 4 squared, and our final answer is 16. Okay, alternatively we can say 64 all raised to the power of 2 over 3 is equal to cube root of 64 squared. Cube root of 64 is 4, and 4 squared is 16. Okay, so the next one, number 5, we are asked to solve 4 to the power of negative 3 over 2. So this is we can rewrite this as 2 raised to the power of 2, then negative 3 over 2, and this will give us 2 to the power of 2 times negative 3 over 2. This will cancel this, and we have 2 to the power of negative 3, and the final answer will become 1 over 2 to the power of 3, which is 1 over 8. Okay, then for number 6, 14 to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, and for number 7, we have this. Don't forget a to the power of m. Okay, then n. This will give us a to the power of m times n. Don't forget this rule. Please, if you are still having problem understanding the basic rules of exponents, check the description and watch the video I made on the rules of exponents. Thank you. So here becomes 3 to the power of 2 times 3, and this becomes 3 raised to the power 6 as our final answer. Then look at this exercise, just to sharpen your skills on exponents. Okay, so try to solve these questions and put your answers in the comment section. I'll be glad to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to like my video, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting lessons. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you in my next lesson. Goodbye.